Alright, so this Kawasaki jet ski here, I think it's a 1996. Can't find the nameplate on it. Anyway, I bought this for the trailer, and the people had taken it apart after their kids blew it up. At least I think they blew it up, and they never got around to fixing it. So the pistons are just sitting out exposed like this. So we're gonna see what it looks like when you start an engine without the jug on. Alright, screw it, I'm just gonna hold the camera. And gonna press start in 3, 2, 1. Oh, doesn't even try to start. Good. I think the motor's seized. Let's see. Damn. Lights aren't lighting. Oh, shit. And I missed it.